Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add text into your picture at Photopea, which is very easy. First things first, we have to jump into photopea.com, and once we choose the picture that we want to work on and basically add some text into it, we have to go to the left part of our screen, to this left sidebar, and press this big T button. Now you can choose basically the font that we are going to use from tons of free fonts. Let's go with the fork. Regular, you can pick a size up to 150 pixels. So let's go like this. Font size, which is very useful. Let's go like that. And also you want to fill, stroke, or put it in the background. Also, oops, yeah, it misclicked, sorry. And then you want to basically move it to the left side, center it, or go to the right side. Sharp, crisp, strong, or smooth. But basically what we want to do, we want to make this column here and start writing down the thing that you want to actually write down. Now, with moving this, you can basically put it wherever you want to. Let's go like this. And also, you can leave it like that. Then, basically just click like that. And here is confirm button. And we are all set. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.